Hey shoppers, today we have a multifunctional air cooler. Got it on Amazon. It's a nice portable size. It has a timing function, 3 different speeds, wind cool, power supply, and remote control. This is what it looks like. You can power it all right here. If you unscrew this is where you fill up your cold water. It has a nice cloth strap so you can move it around easily. Comes with your user manual, your remote, and your power cord. You just simply plug it in right here. You put your water, your cold water here at the top. Put the lid back on. Power it on by plugging it in. Nice lights flash on top here. All right, we are plugged in. This is how you power on. Great for camping, traveling, your office, your bedroom. You want to make sure the silicone plug is closed to prevent leaks. And you want to drain the water that's collected so that it doesn't have overflow and spillage.